here in Raystown Lake, Pennsylvania for a photo shoot, really early in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we want.
Randy,
We'll grab my camera.
try that rock over there. It's in the shade. Yeah. And, that's kind of what I do. Good.
Great. All the photographers are wonderful. The location is gorgeous. We're all working together very well.
The last shot, I would always take a shot of them against the white background, kind of bent over, and I would shoot them at the angle that I could sandwich the slides. This is before Photoshop. Yeah.
What do you add? That's pretty expensive.
People drive from all over, from Long Island, from Ohio, Maryland, New Jersey, and this lake makes a great place for people to come. It also makes a great place for us to shoot. So,
Really beautiful. Perfect location for shooting models.
I'm gonna get this anyway.
I tried those numbers in my picture lens.
What do we have coming up here?
it's Jim and Derek.
Handsome looking craft.